Ever wondered how your favorite Coca-Cola get that perfect fizz and flavor? Step inside the high-tech factory.
The first step in creating Coca-Cola is ensuring the water is pure and safe. Advanced filtration systems remove any impurities. Sugar is carefully prepared, either in the form of sucrose or high-fructose corn syrup, depending on regional preferences.
Sweeteners are added to give Coca-Cola its signature taste, and the correct balance is ensured by automated measuring systems. Additives like citric acid and phosphoric acid are added in specific amounts to enhance flavor and preserve the drink.
The secret Coca-Cola concentrate is prepared separately and kept under strict control to maintain its consistency and flavor.
Once the water, sugar, and concentrate are mixed, a high-tech blending system ensures perfect consistency. The mixture is then heated to the perfect temperature for the next step of carbonation.
Each batch undergoes automated quality checks to ensure uniformity in taste and consistency.
After all ingredients are combined, the final mixture is thoroughly stirred to ensure a consistent blend of flavors.
With the syrup base ready, it's now time for the crucial carbonation step.
Curious to learn more about how industry giants like Coca-Cola bring their products to life? Subscribe for exclusive behind-the-scenes content and discover this. The syrup production begins by carefully mixing the Coca-Cola concentrate with sweeteners and flavorings. The formula is fine-tuned to perfection, ensuring every drop tastes just like Coca-Cola.
Every batch is automatically tested for consistency in flavor and color.
Sweeteners are mixed in precise quantities to ensure the right taste and texture.
The signature Coca-Cola flavor is infused through specialized mixing techniques, ensuring the formula is maintained. The syrup is homogenized to prevent separation of the ingredients.
Once mixed, the syrup is stored in large holding tanks, awaiting the carbonation process.
Once the syrup reaches the perfect consistency, it's transported to the carbonation station.
The syrup's temperature is carefully controlled for optimal mixing during carbonation.
Before moving forward, each batch of syrup undergoes a final quality inspection.
Carbon dioxide is injected into the syrup, making the drink effervescent and fizzy.
The syrup and CO2 are thoroughly mixed to create the perfect level of carbonation.
The pressure is carefully monitored to ensure the right carbonation level is achieved. The syrup temperature is adjusted to ensure proper CO2 absorption.
CO2 is injected precisely into the syrup, giving Coca-Cola its signature fizz.
The carbonation tanks are checked for consistency and proper pressure before moving forward.
The level of CO2 is adjusted based on real-time feedback from sensors to create the ideal fizziness.
Once the carbonation process is complete, the mixture is fully integrated and ready for filling.
A final carbonation check is conducted to guarantee the beverage meets Coca-Cola's signature effervescence.
Now that the Coca-Cola is carbonated, it's ready to be filled into bottles and cans.
Before the Coca-Cola is filled, every bottle and can is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized to ensure hygiene.
After cleaning, the containers are dried to remove any moisture, ensuring proper sealing.
Each container undergoes an automated visual inspection to check for defects such as cracks or chips.
Bottles and cans of various sizes are automatically sorted and fed into the filling line.
Plastic caps are prepared and sterilized before being added to the bottles.
Filling stations are calibrated to ensure precise amounts of Coca-Cola are dispensed into each container.
Once calibrated, the filling process begins, where the carbonated Coca-Cola is poured into each container.
Each filled bottle or can is then sealed tightly to preserve the drink's freshness and carbonation.
The bottles and cans undergo a final inspection to ensure all seals are tight and intact. The sealed bottles and cans are now ready to be labeled and sent down the production line. The labels are printed with the latest Coca-Cola branding and information, ready for application. The bottles and cans are automatically aligned for precise label placement. The labels are applied to the containers using high-precision labeling machines, ensuring no misalignment. The labels are checked for alignment, clarity, and legibility to ensure the Coca-Cola brand is presented perfectly. Each bottle or can is stamped with the production date and batch code to ensure traceability. A final check is done to ensure each label is correctly applied and printed. If a label is misaligned or has errors, the automated system will remove it and replace it with a new one. Once labeled, the containers are directed to the packaging area for grouping and boxing.
The packaging stations are prepped, ensuring the products are grouped efficiently and securely.
The final step involves placing the labeled bottles and cans into cartons or trays for shipment.
A team of quality control experts conducts a sensory analysis to ensure each batch meets Coca-Cola's high standards. To ensure the carbonation is perfect, each bottle and can undergoes pressure testing.
Microbial testing is done to verify the safety of the product and ensure no contamination. The weight of each bottle and can is automatically verified to ensure consistency. Coca-Cola containers are inspected for any defects or visual issues. The final product undergoes a taste test to guarantee it matches the signature Coca-Cola flavor. CO2 levels in each batch are carefully monitored to ensure the correct effervescence.
The shelf life of the product is tested to ensure it stays fresh and retains flavor.
The chemical composition of the beverage is tested for consistency and safety. Once each batch passes all quality checks, it is certified and ready for distribution. The finished Coca-Cola products are moved to a storage facility to await distribution. Advanced inventory systems track every product batch, ensuring efficient stock management.
The products are then loaded onto trucks or containers for shipment to retailers.
Automated route planning systems ensure Coca-Cola products are delivered efficiently. Coca-Cola is stored at a precise temperature to preserve freshness until delivery.
Coca-Cola products are packed according to market needs, including promotional packaging.
The final products are shipped globally to reach millions of consumers.